I think that's the powder system. Yeah. This side is the feeder. That's where pepper is fed from, like pepper. It goes into the machine on this conveyor. Then this is like a side lay. Yeah, helps in registration, like aligning work on paper. Compressor, motor. Now this is the power unit. Like power gets tapped from the other side onto the wall and gets connected on this. As you can see, it's not yet been unwrapped. I don't know why. Maybe it's be done last, like connecting power and stuff. Yeah. This looks to be like, this is what? This is where I think IPA, the chemicals are mixed from, you know? I don't know the name. All these supposed to be put inside there. As you can see, all this cabling, what. Yeah. So this is day one of the installation. I'll be giving you guys updates to when the machine is fully set and it's running well. But as of now, that's it. As you can see, the CPC is already set up. Yeah. This is where the operator sets color from, pressing these buttons 1, 2, 3. This is CPC. It helps in setting. Light comes from here on top, as you can see. That's where light comes from. This is just to control this whole machine. Yeah. Which is yet to run soon. As you can see, it's yet to run. But sign out. Thank you guys. I'll keep updating you on everything, like as per the machine follows. Subscribe, you lock it in, yeah, for more updates.